There are so many brushes in Painter that it is sometimes difficult to know which one you might want to use for a project when you are learning the program. So with these short videos, I'm going to show you a couple of brushes that I use when I'm sketching out ideas, whether it's concept design, creature design, character design, basically anything where I need to work out a sketch first. These are the brushes that I use. The first one is the Real 2B pencil. You can see I've got it selected up here. It is in the pencils category, and it is the Real 2B pencil variant. And so I've got that selected. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and just drag it off onto a new palette. The second brush is simply an eraser, and it's in the erasers category, and it's just the regular eraser, and I'm going to grab it off and drag it here also. I've got a 1600 by 1200 canvas. I create a new layer. I'm going to use a darker color, and the only things I'm going to change with these default brushes are the size sometimes and the opacity. And I like to work with a lower opacity, 13% or so, on a new layer. I make sure the little pickup underline color box is always checked for all the work I do. And what I'm going to do is just draw for a minute. I don't really have any preconceived idea of what I'm going to do. I'm just going to start drawing something. I always keep my initial strokes kind of loose and open. And sometimes if I'm not sure what I'm going to do, then I will start to see things in the doodles, and I'll build on that. I'm going to shut up and just let you watch me draw. Things can get messy pretty quick, and so that is where then the eraser comes in. Not only do I use it to clean things up, but actually as a drawing device. I keep the opacity high, and I will vary the size. When I'm varying the size, I'm working on a PC, and I hold down the Control and Alt keys, and I can drag the size up or down. And so I'm going to clean this image up. And you can see how I use the eraser to supplement the 2B pencil and get this character looking a little better than he does now. So you can see how the eraser tool becomes very much an integral part of the process for me. It frees me up a little more than just using the pencil. And there you have it. These two brushes are pretty much what I use when I'm sketching and drawing. They're fast brushes. They work really well. Start with an idea and get going.